5 best investing ideas for beginners. Start with just $100. Are you new to investing and confused about where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple, safe, and smart investing ideas perfect for beginners. You don't need a lot of money. Even $100 is enough to get started. Let's dive in. Number 1. Mutual Funds SIP. This is systematic investment plan. Lets you invest as little as $100 a month into a mutual fund. You don't need to pick stocks or time the market. A fund manager handles it for you. Number 2. Digital gold, an easy way to buy and invest in gold online without worrying about storage or making jewelry. You can start with $1 and sell anytime. Number 3. Recurring deposits, RDs. Recurring deposits offered by almost every bank. You deposit a fixed amount monthly, and it grows at a fixed interest rate. It's low risk and great for disciplined saving. It's good for people who want guaranteed returns without market risk. Number 4. Stocks investing. Yes, you can start with just $100. Begin by buying shares of companies you already know, like banking, IT, or FMCG brands. But always research before buying. Number 5. Invest in yourself. And finally, the most underrated investment, you. Take online courses, read finance books, learn digital skills. This gives you higher earning power, which means you'll have more to invest in the future. So there you have it. 5 simple investing ideas that are perfect for beginners. Don't wait for the right time. Start small, stay consistent, and grow your money step by step. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which one